So today we'll be unboxing the TECKIN Dimmable LED floor lamp, the model FL33. Hey, what's up? Adrian here with the Unboxed, bringing you tech unboxing reviews. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. And hey, at any point during this video, check out the show notes and links in the description below. I list all the details and everything else I forgot. So let's jump into the unbox. So let's stop this open. Yes. Open. 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 Let's take the foil out. Satisfaction. Satisfaction foil out. Satisfaction foil out. Turn this around. I can show you. There's a small mistake there. Should be rated, but it's rattly. Can we fix the box, please? No. Actually, I don't really care, but yeah, whatever. So these are some specs if you want to know them. Just like that, yes. Oh. Just like that. Oh, nice packaging. Let's see, what do we have? TECKIN thank you card. Hello. Okay. Next, warranty registration. Gift. Okay. Manual. Maybe we need this. Just check out how we can assemble it. Okay, check that later. Let's see, what is this? So you can see the wire is already inside, except for this one. Okay, so you got like 4 aluminum, I think, or metal, some metal pipes, 4 metal pipes. Let's set them on the side. Then you've got, I think, the actual light with the cable, the actual light with the cable. Then I think that's the plug-in. And what's there at the bottom should be the base, right? Yes, that is the base. Oh, it's really heavy, the base. I think that's the heaviest thing from the box, the base. Of course, it should be heavy, right? It's made from hard thing, you know, something inside, metal, something. Looks cool though. Okay, set the box on the side as well, and let's start building this. We'll use this later. That's the top, but let's take the bag off. TECKIN. Okay. So now we just have to assemble the pipes. Let's just make this first. Let's take the plastic off. I'll just take the plastic off now. Oh, it's really hard. With this wire, really hard. Yeah. Okay, so now that the plastic is off, I'll just take it one by one. See the end cable. It's inside. Come on, man. Ah, yes. Take this out from inside. Then let's assemble the pipes together. Nice and tight. Next one. Yeah, don't mind me, I'll hit everything. As this cable is too long here. That's it. This cable is a bit too long. Doesn't want to go inside, right? Needs to go all the way inside. Go inside. Okay, tight and nice. So you can't see the gap here, just like a really small gap. Here as well, really small gap. And now, so it should come something like this. Not sure if you can see. So this goes, the light goes through this pipe. And you screw it on here, tight. And then you can connect it together here. Then you can screw the head on top, just like that. Screw the head on top. Tight. And what's left is just the bottom with this wire coming out, just like that. Then you screw this on the base. Okay, everything is done. Now let's see what kind of light we have. Get connected. Oh, now you can see some light. Just touch the button, no light. It's too bright though. Can we have less power? It's so bright, guys. Let's see if I can show you. So bright. So if we keep touching, it will dim. Awesome. Up. Dim the light. More light. So you touch once on, touch once off. You touch it and keep it touched, full brightness. Touch again, keep it touched. Thank you for watching. I hope I helped you with this video. Don't forget to click the link in the description below if you want to buy the TECKIN Dimmable LED floor lamp. And see you on the next one.